Good morning, students. Today I will discuss about ascending order and descending order, addition and subtraction of fractions, etc. We convert these unlike fractions into like fractions by taking the LCM of the denominators. Now worksheet 3, page 50, question number 1. Arrange in ascending order 5 by 2, 1 by 6, 3 by 4, 3 by 8. First of all, find the LCM of the denominators. So LCM of 2, 6, 4, 8. Find the LCM. LCM equal to 24. Now convert each fraction into equivalent fractions. 5 by 2 can be written as 5 by 2 multiplied 60 by 24. So 5 by 2 equal to 60 by 24. 1 by 6 equal to 1 by 6 multiply 24 by 24. 6 1 j 6, 6 4 j 24 is equal to 4 by 24. 3 by 4 can be written as 3 by 4 multiply 24 by 24. 4 1 j 4, 4 6 j 24. 6 3 j 18 equal to 18 by 24. 3 by 8 can be written as 3 by 8 multiply 24 by 24. 8 1 j 8, 8 3 j 24. 3 3 j 9 by 24. Now the given fractions convert into the equivalent fractions. That means their denominators are 24. 5 by 2 equal to 60 by 24, 1 by 6 equal to 4 by 24, 3 by 4 equal to 18 by 24, 3 by 8 equal to 9 by 24. Now we arrange these fractions in ascending order. Ascending order means increasing orders. छोटा से बड़ा की ओर बढ़ेंगे. So first of all, look the equivalent fractions which is smaller. 4 by 24 is smallest fractions. So 4 by 24 is less than 9 by 24 is less than 18 by 24 is less than 60 by 24, which means 4 by 24 means 1 by 6 is less than 3 by 8 is less than 3 by 4 is less than 5 by 2. Now question number 2. Arrange in descending order. Question 2D. 2 hold 5 by 6, comma 6, 18, 4, 9. So first of all find the LCM of 6, 18, 4 and 9 is 36. Now write each fraction is equal to the equivalent fractions. So first fraction is 2 whole 5 by 6 equal to 6 2 j 12 plus 5, 17 by 6 equal can be written as 17 by 6 multiply 36 by 36. 6 1 j 6, 6 6 j 36. 17 6 j 102 by 36. 7 by 18 can be written as 7 by 18 multiply 36 by 36. 18 1 j 18, 18 2 j 36. 7 2 j 14 by 36. 4 hold 1 by 4 can be written as 17 by 4 multiply 36 by 36. 4 1 j 4, 4 9 j 36. 17 9 j 153. 10 by 9 can be written as 10 by 9 multiply 36 by 36. 9 1 j 9, 9 4 j 36 equal to 10 4 j 40 by 36. Now we arrange these fractions in descending order. Descending order means decreasing orders. बड़ा से छोटा की ओर. So now choose the greatest fraction, greatest equivalent fractions. So here 153 by 36 is greatest. So first of all write 153 by 36 is greater than 102 by 36 is greater than 40 by 36 is greater than 14 by 36, which means 4 hold 1 by 4 is greater than 2 hold 5 by 6 is greater than 10 by 9 is greater than 7 by 18. Worksheet 4, page 53. Add 1a 4 by 7 plus 11 by 14. First of all, find the LCM of denominator 7 and 14 is 14. So LCM is 14. Now 14 divided by 7, the quotient is 2. And here numerator of the first fraction is 4. So 4 multiply 2 plus 14 divided by 14, quotient is 1. So the numerator of the second fraction 11 multiply 1 equal to 4 to j 8 plus 11 1 j 11. 11 plus 8 19 by 14 equal to 1 whole 5 by 14. Similarly 7 plus 9 by 10 plus 2 by 3. LCM of 10 and 3 is 30. So 7 can be written as 7 by 1 plus 9 by 10 plus 2 by 3. LCM is 30. Now 7 multiply 30 plus, write in numerator 7 multiply 30 plus 30 divided by 10, quotient is 3. So multiply the numerator of second fraction by 3. 9 into 3. 9 multiply 3 plus 30 divided by 3, quotient is 10, and multiply the numerator 2 multiply 10. It can be written as 7 into 30 equal to 210 plus 7 9 3 j 27 plus 10 2 j 20. Now add it, you will get 257 by 30 equal to 8 whole 17 by 30. Similarly, you can do H. 8 is 8. So it can be written as in denominator 8, and 8 divided by 2 you will get the quotient 4, and the numerator of the first fraction is 1. 1 multiply 4 minus 3 multiply 8 divided by 8, quotient is 1. So it can be written as 3 multiply 1. Now 4 1 j 4 minus 3 1 j 3. 4 minus 3 equal to 1 by 8. Answer in lowest terms, in simplest form or in standard forms. That means the common factor of numerator and denominator is 1. Or in simply you can say the HCF of numerator and denominator is 1. Now question C, 11 by 12 minus 2 by 3. First of all, find the LCM of the denominator 12 and 3. You will get 12. So denominator is 12. 12 divided by 12, the quotient is 1. So numerator, here numerator is 11. So 11 multiply 1 minus 2 multiply 12 divided by 3, quotient is 4. So 2 multiply 4. 11 1 j 11, 2 4 j 8. 11 minus 8 equal to 3 by 12. Now here common factor of numerator and denominator is 3. So divide numerator and denominator by 3. 3 divided by 3, quotient is 1. 12 divided by 3, quotient is 4. So your answer is 1 by 4, lowest terms. 2 hold 1 by 5 minus 1 hold 1 by 2. It can be written as in improper fraction 11 by 5 minus 3 by 2. First of all, find the LCM of so it can be written as 11 multiply 2 minus 10 divided by 2, quotient is 5. 3 multiply 5. 11 2 j 22 minus 15. 22 minus 15 equal to 7 by 10. Answer. Now word problem, worksheet 5, page 54 and 54 55. First question. Solve the following word problems. Anjali spent 1 by 5 of her pocket money on comics and 3 by 4 on sweets. how much of her pocket money did she spend altogether? So write amount spent on comics equal to 1 by 5. Amount spent on sweets equal to 3 by 4. Total amount spent on altogether 1 by 5 plus 3 by 4. So LCM of the denominator 5 and 4 is 20. 20 divided by 5, quotient is 4. So it can be written as 1 multiplied 4 plus 20 divided by 4, quotient is 5. So it can be written as 3 multiplied 5. 4 1 is 4, 3 5 is 15. 4 plus 15 equal to 19 by 24. Now question B. In a high jump contest, Ramesh jumped 3 hold 8 by 9 meter and Rakesh jumped 4 hold 1 by 3 meter. Who jumped more? Greater than 3 hold 8 by 9 meter. Therefore, Rakesh jumped more height, and therefore their difference equal to 4 hold 1 by 3 minus 3 hold 8 by 9. Convert into the improper fraction. 4 hold 1 by 3 can be written as 13 by 3 minus 3 hold 8 by 9 can be written as 35 by 9. First of all, find the LCM of the denominator 3 and 9. You will get 9. Now 9 divided by 3, quotient is 3. 13 multiply 3 minus 9 divided by 9, quotient is 1. So 35 multiply 1. 13 3 is 39 minus 35 multiply 1 equal to 35. 39 minus 35 equal to 4 by 9. So Rakesh jumped 4 by 9 meter more than that of Ramesh. Now question E. Master Kumar bought 2 hold 2 by 5 kg potatoes, 2 kg onions and 1 hold 2 by 5 kg tomatoes. Find the total weight of vegetables Master Kumar bought. So write it. Weight of potatoes 2 hold 2 by 5 kg equal to 12 by 5 kg. Weight of onions equal to 2 kg. Weight of tomatoes equal to 1 hold 1 by 5 kg, that is 6 by 5 kg. Therefore, the total weight of vegetables bought by Master Kumar 12 by 5 plus 2 plus 6 by 5 kg equal to 28 by 5 kg equal to 5 hold 3 by 5 kg. Now question F. Neha used 1 hold 1 by 2 meter red ribbon, 3 by 4 meter yellow ribbon and 1 meter white ribbon for her project. Find the total length of ribbon she used for her project. So length of red ribbon equal to 1 hold 1 by 2 meter, that is 3 by 2 meter. Length of yellow ribbon equal to 3 by 4 meter. Length of white ribbon equal to 1 meter. Therefore, the total length of ribbon she used for her project equal to 3 by 2 plus 3 by 4 plus 1. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So it can be written as 4 divided by 2, quotient is 2. So 3 2 is 6 plus 4 divided by 4, quotient is 1. 3 multiply 1 equal to 3 plus 4 equal to 13 by 4 meter, that is 3 hold 1 by 4 meter. Thank you. Have a nice day.